Hello, Chef Kurt here today, and we're gonna be making a really cool chicken sandwich with a new Sienna Bakery charcoal seeded bun. Along with that, we got some other great ingredients. We've got a sous vide chicken product. We've got some Gordon Choice pickled chips, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, because shredded lettuce goes better on a sandwich, shallots. We're gonna play with some Mr. Bing's Chili Crunch and some mayonnaise. So all those cool flavors going together. We're gonna have a really quick heated up chicken that's got some great flavor to it, great texture, not dried out, not overcooked, and big flavor with the Mr. Bing's Chili Crunch and texture coming from the dill pickle chips. So to start making this sandwich, first thing we really gotta do, and it's a key part to this, is we're gonna make the Chili Crunch mayo. And it's gonna be equal parts the Mr. Bing's Chili Crunch. So this is gonna bring texture and some flavor. You got that garlic in there, just a little bit of mild heat. It's not gonna light your face up or anything like that. So now that we've got our mayo mixed and ready to go, we can go ahead and take one of our buns, and we're gonna put mayo on the top, our shredded lettuce, our shallot, and then a really cool textural ingredient in our dill pickled chips. We've got the sous vide chicken, and then the tomato. How about that for a sandwich?